Hey, it's Keith from Shipwright Skills. Let's make some better blocks. I based these off of some old designs that I saw of blocks from the early 1900s and thought I would use some scrap wood to do that. If you're like me, you have extra scrap wood, so I just kind of planed it all down to the same thickness and then ripped it to different widths, so that way I had kind of a variety of different woods and different sizes. And then I made a little quick fence for my saw so I wouldn't throw the blocks anywhere when I cut them. You can see there's a little stop with a spring clamp in the background. And I just kind of cut different stock to the same lengths. So I had kind of common lengths, and then I made, several different lengths, and I made myself just sort of design it on the fly. I came up with that, and then I made a little border box around it, so that way they would have a tray to be put away in. And then I oiled everything with Osmo top oil, and let it dry and flipped it over and did it again, and then oiled the tray. I also traced all the blocks onto the tray, and then started playing with it. And it's pretty fun for adults as well as kids, I think. I used just a variety of just different woods, and it came out pretty well. And as you can see, you can kind of get creative with different buildings and things that you can build. And then when you go to put it away, it's like a puzzle. So that's kind of fun. It takes a few minutes to get it all put back, but once you get it put back, it's a good sense of accomplishment. You should build one too. Thanks. Visit me on shipwrightskills.com and Shipwright Skills on Instagram.